Hey everyone, welcome to another video. As requested by many people, I'm going to be piecing this Dalek together. So if you want to take one of these character options Daleks apart, just reverse the process. So I'm going to start with this piece here. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take the gun. Now I'm going to put it through there. I'm going to want to put the plunger arm. I've cut that off because I've got to adapt that into a claw arm. So you put your your ball joint in there like that, and then you want to take this part. This comes off, and it will push on there like that. Now, when you get loose joints on these Daleks, usually it's because this has come loose. So if you want to fix something like that, this will be how you're going to want to screw these in really tight, because you really don't want these coming loose once you've put it all apart, especially if you're doing a Dalek with the slats on, because the slats, preferably you want to dunk them into some boiling water before you push them over, or they're going to really damage your paintwork. So that's pretty tight. And just to make sure, what you want to do is you want to push these joints, because when you pull these out of the sockets, they're going to then push against that plastic when you push them in, and then it comes loose, and then the joint goes loose. But this is really nice and tight. So there we go. We're looking good on that front. Now this can go into this, but before we do, this piece here comes out of here. So you want to make sure that's in, because that is how you screw your dome into place. Anyway, this piece will slot nicely in there like that. And then this, there we go, should just push together. I've only just painted this bit today, so I've got to be a little bit careful. But there we go. So that's now back together. Now, these and these need screwing. So, just drop my screw in, put my screwdriver in there, and I'm doing that up. You don't necessarily need all four in, so if you lose a screw, it's okay. Ooh, I think it's the longer one goes in there. This is what I forgot to mention in my last video. I forgot about these screws. I've got a magnetic screwdriver, so there we go. But yeah, I forgot about these ones because they're hidden under the neck rings. Right, I'm not going to put that one in, that one there. So right, now we're at this point. The balls, the hemispheres. A lot of balls getting mentioned in this video. So these hemispheres, you can just glue them back into place and then paint them. But obviously beforehand, if you're starting out, you want to take this apart, you're going to want to get some pliers, sharp pliers. Just put them on the ball there, squeeze them, and then sort of crunch it off, and they'll just break off nicely. Anyway, so the next step here is going to be to fit the neck rings. So obviously I've painted these up, and if you just look here, they slot into here. Like that. And then you want your largest neck bin. And there we go. You're going to want your middle ring, like so, and then your middle neck bin, and then top neck ring, and then your top neck pin. Like that. And then you take your dome. Imagine it's got the eye stalk. The eye stalk's not finished, so I can't. I've got to paint that. So it goes on there like that. And when it's on there like that, all you have to do is put a screw. You can't see it. There we go, you can see it down there. You just put your screw in there, put it on the end of your screwdriver, and just put it in, and then screw your dome back on. Your eye stalk will come out here. It's this little thing here. It goes on there, and there's a look. If you've got one of the newer ones, which has got the complete rounded bit, you've got a little metal pivot bit that has to go in. I'm not going to explain how to do that. It's quite straightforward. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then your Dalek pretty much pops onto its base, and then you screw it underneath. It's as straightforward as that. So there's a little bit more to do on this Dalek, but it's coming together nicely and it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll do another video when it's finished, I think. But I hope that explains everything if you're wanting to do this. I'm really excited to see what you guys can make yourselves. So yeah, I'm going to be posting this video into some of the Facebook groups that I'm part of. I'm part of the Doctor Who character options group, I think that's what it's called, and Doctor Who Infinity. So if you join them and share some of your projects. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.